Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to review Speechify. So first thing is just simply open up the Speechify application, and of course it will be available on your app store, and make sure to log in into your account. Now over here, once you are logged in, pretty much it is a friendly beginner interface. So right here, right away, you should be able to see import and listen. So you will have here different methods to import. You will have files over here, which you could upload a PDF or Word, or you could go for the G drive over here, which you could upload a text or book. And you will have a Kindle as well. If you have a Kindle, you will have a Gmail, and down below you should have a scan. So here on the scan, guys, this is what I like most about the app. So you could take a picture of a text. So I have here a sample text. So I'm gonna take a picture of it, and now tap on next on the bottom right. And from here, you should be able to edit it out and select save and listen. And from here, AI will do the work for you, and it will detect some text. And when you tap on play, it will read it for you by itself. And pretty much over here on the left side at the bottom, you should be able to change to multiple artists, and you could change the read speed on the bottom right from here. And now pretty much this is a simple application where can upload a text, and it will automatically be read out to you, and that's pretty much it. And now you will have here library as well, which we could have here the history on what we have uploaded so far. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.